This video is on programming a PIC16F876A microcontroller using MPLAB. That's physically programming it and connecting the circuits together. So first of all, I'm starting with the simulation, and this is the on Proteus ICs. This is the source code for the project. So all the code does is to, we have an LED here, then the microcontroller blinks the LED after every 2 seconds. So this is the while loop. So when we build the project and run it, we can see that the LED, the yellow LED blinks every 2 seconds. So this is the simulation on Proteus ICs. So we want to program it physically on an actual LED. To do that, we are going to make use of MPLAB. So I'm using the MPLAB IDE version 8.89. So we're going to start a new project. So we're using PIC16F876A microcontroller. So it's selected already. So if it's not selected, you go here and select the right microcontroller. Then this is the compiler we're using. So we're using the PIC C compiler. So if another one is selected, you have to select the PIC Universal Two Suite compiler. Then you need to specify where the project should be stored. So I'll go to browse, and I've already created a folder. So this is the folder where I want the project to be stored. So I'm going to name the project. Let me name the project Blink LED. Then I click on save. So this is where the file paths where the project will be stored. Then in this place, you are asked to, if you've already written the program, you are asked to add it. But I will skip this step and go to next and finish. So you've created your project. So the next thing is to write the program that blinks the LED. So you are going to create a new save file. So file, new. Then I've already written the software code for it. So this is the software code. This is the software code for it. So I'll just copy all of the code, then I paste it on MPLAB, Control V. Then I save it as, I need to go to the folder where I specify the project. So I'll name it main.c. Then in this particular portion, you click add file to the project, because if you just create it and without adding it, it's not going to save it. So I click add file to the project and click on save. So now we've created the project and we've already added the source code to it. So what it does is that the LED is just going to blink every 2 seconds. Then we program it. First of all, you need to connect your PICKit3 to your computer via the USB. So you go to programmer, select programmer. So we're using the PICKit3. The PICKit3 should be selected. So I've already connected the PICKit3 to my computer. So it has detected it, and has also detected the microcontroller because I've already connected the circuit. And now to program, so we selected the PICKit3 programmer. Now we need to actually program it. So to program it, we go to project, then build. But before that, you need to go to programmer settings, then program after, make sure this is ticked, program after successful build, so that when you build it, it would automatically program the microcontroller. So make sure this is ticked. So when I go to project and build, it's going to build the project successful. Immediately after building it, to start programming. So program complete. So when we look at the connection, we see that the LED is blinking every 2 seconds. So this is the schematic. So we'll connect all of this in hardware. So this is the software connection. So we need to connect all of this in hardware. Then we see that the LED is blinking physically.